How to book your Paris hotel room by using mobile app? Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Paris hotel room by using mobile app? First, you have to install the Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video description part here. And the link is like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon at Google Play Store. After you have installed this Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Paris hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Paris for vacation and holidays with your families and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. This is the Paris Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app installation page. After you have installed this Paris Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, tap on this open button here, and it will bring you to open the Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Look for the first row of this icon here. Look for the second icon here showing hotel booking. Okay, under this Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app, tap on it, and it will bring you to the Paris hotel room booking page. And sometimes they take time because of the speed of the internet connection, so remember to ensure that you have a good internet connection, okay, if you want to book your hotel room. Okay, now now this is a hotel room Paris hotel room booking page. Okay, let me enlarge it for your easy viewing. Okay, at the top left part here is to let you search the hotels in Paris. You can search the hotel in Paris by filling up your check-in date and check-out date of you want to stay at the hotel in Paris. And here also the option for you to drop down and you select the rooms for how many person, 2 adults, 1 adult, families or group. Okay, then you tap on search button. Or you can scroll down to the page and browse through these popular Paris hotels. Okay, this is the list of the popular hotel room here. And total all got 10,570 hotels in Paris available for you to book or reserve the room online here. Okay, for demonstration purpose, let me select one of the hotels to show you how to book or reserve the hotel room. Let me select this. Let's say Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel Hotel. Let me tap on it or click on this view deal on this hotel. Now you can see this Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel Hotel view here. You can browse through the photo. Look at the photo or picture of this hotel room. Okay, and then okay, you can browse through all the hotel picture here. Okay, and scroll down and read the instruction of this hotel. Very good marks, 8.5 marks, with a wonderful views, fast check-in, and fantastic bar. Previously reviewed by 8,094 guest review. Okay, scroll down a bit and you can go through and read the hotel features here in general, what are the activities, services being provided in this hotel, and whether it provide internet service, what is the check-in time and check-out time. Scroll down further to look at the guest review of this Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel Hotel here. Now overall is 6.5 marks to in between 8.5 marks to 8.8 marks. Okay, it's quite a very good score mark. Who stay here the most? Couples are most popular, like to stay into this hotel. Scroll down further and you can read the top comments from all travelers. This hotel has got stunning views, amazing bar, comfortable beds, great check-in and check-out process, satisfying breakfast, and excellent in-house restaurant. Here are the previous guests have said about this hotel with high mark. Okay, now if you, let's say I want to book this hotel room, I have to scroll up and go to this section. I have to input my check-in date. Let's say for example March 4th. You can leave it for one night stay until 5th of March 2020. Leave it as a 2 adults, room for 2 adults. Then I tap on check availability and prices. Now, then the other page will display the different 1, 2, 3, 4. Here got 4 different hotel room providers with a different price set here. Okay, I can even tap compare 6 website and it will show me, display me 6 more websites. Total got 10 different prices from a different room, from that I can book the hotel room from a different hotel room provider. Let's say I can book with the hotel, this Pullman hotel, with this price. Let's say I want to select this favorite classic room, 2 single size bed, garden view. I tap on book with hotel. It will redirecting me to the Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel Hotel after the few seconds, or I can tap on go to straight away go to that page. Okay. Let's be patient. Wait for the page for loading. Okay. Okay, now this is the hotel room booking platform here. Okay. Let me go back to the page again. Okay, and then okay, this is the Pullman Paris Eiffel Tower hotel room booking page. Okay, scroll down, look at the types of the room that available for me to reserve. Okay, for demonstration purpose, let me select the first one, classic room, 1 king size bed, garden view, in the price of 313 euro, 0.50 euro dollar. Let me select this one. And then I can select small standard offer or 2 package offer. Let me select this one, saver rate cannot be cancelled or refunded. Okay, member rate, let me tap on this wheel. And then saver rate, let me book this because I'm not member. Okay, tap on this. You can join a member first before you book and save you money. Okay, then on this page, okay, you can scroll down if you want to add breakfast or other additional top up for your hotel rooms. Okay, scroll down to the list, and let's say I just want to book the hotel room with this price. Then I tap on, and you scroll out on the right hand side, you can see the price of this hotel room booking for 2 adults 1 night from March 4th of 2020 to March 5th 2020. Okay, this is the price I have to pay, and plus tax €5.76. Okay, so scroll down to the bottom. Okay, no additional. Then I tap on book for this price, €335.76 including tax and fees. Tap on it to further process my hotel room booking. Okay, on this page I have to input my contact details before I able to book this hotel room. Okay, let's say for the demonstration purpose I will input this name. Okay, country and region. Okay, so for demonstration purpose I am Malaysian. Nationality also Asian. Okay, and phone number. Okay, and then my email address. Okay, fk@email.com. Scroll down. What is the reason for you to stay? Of course, for leisure, or you can tap on business if you want. I would like to create an account, find all my booking and personalize my stay. Proper here. It is optional. Let me untick this and you know what, prepare your stay. Okay, do I have any special request to make to the hotel? But this is optional. Leave it blank. and then I tap on confirm. For my personal contact information, now come to this is the payment method. Tap on this type of the card that I can use to make payment for this hotel room booking, which is Visa, Mastercard, and American Express. Choose the card that you prefer, for example Visa. I have to input my cardholder's name, credit card number or debit card number, the expiration date, and the year of the card expiration. Finally, you have to input the security code as well, which is a 3-digit number. So you see a security code behind the debit card or credit card. Once you have input, finish fill up the bank card detail. Okay, review again the booking details and the price. Okay, then tap on pay. Okay, now for demonstration purpose, I'm not going to input my personal credit card debit card information here. So once you input everything, click on pay or tap on pay button here, then you will complete your hotel room booking, and they will email the hotel room booking information to your given email address. Once you complete the hotel booking, everything has done, then tap on done button here and go back to the front page of this Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app here. Now you can explore more on this Travel to Paris mobile app here. You can tap on this top attraction icon here to look at the attraction places that tourists will visit when they come to traveling in Paris. Okay, so finally, let me recap where can you download this Paris Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Just go to Google Play Store or tap on or click on the link below this video description part here. The link look like this, or you can use your phone. Okay, to open up your QR code scanner and scan this QR code to install this Paris Travel Tour Guide. Okay, finally, thanks for watching. Remember to share this video to your friends and family, and also your friends who like to visit to Paris, and share with them how to book a Paris hotel before they're traveling to Paris for purpose or holidays or vacation. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.